You need to actually like lay down though, because I'm working with all of this space. I know, I'm sorry. Okay. Sorry, Arthur is going to join us. He saw my suitcase and now he's very upset. Hi, I'm Jordan, and in a couple of days, I'm going to Disneyland. My sister and I are going together on a sisters only trip, and we decided that we are going to DisneyBound the entire time. If you've never heard of that, it basically means that you are wearing normal clothes that embody the essence or have the colors of the character that you're trying to emulate. So these are all the things I am taking with me. And I'm gonna try to get them all into that carry-on and this backpack. This will be my bag with me on the plane. I'm still doing the carry-on on the plane too, but that's gonna go up above. This will be down with me in the seat. And in that goes all the important things. Now, of course, all of my stuff is important to me, but I wanna make sure that I always have all of my medication with me, on me, so that I don't misplace it somehow. I have a thyroid condition and I take ADHD meds, and yeah, Disneyland is a lot of stimulation and I would like to stay focused-ish. I'm also going to have my glasses case, which I'll be wearing glasses on the plane, and sunglasses are going to be in here. And I like to have a cute little baggie of ready to go lotion, contacts case, so as soon as we land I can put those contacts in, put the sunglasses on, and embrace the California sunshine. I also carry a water bottle with me, and I got this one off of Amazon. Okay, full disclosure, pretty much everything that I am packing I got off of Amazon. Listen, it's not my fault. Originally, my sister and I were just gonna go athletic cute, like keep it chill, no big deal, whatever. And I was like, cool, I'll just wear my normal clothes. It's no big deal. I'll be comfy cozy. And then she went to TJ Maxx and just went crazy. She sent me each of her outfits all put together, organized, and was like, well, why don't we just like kind of coordinate with each other, with our characters? And I was like, that's a lot of pressure. But then I had all this inspiration and I lost my mind on Amazon.com at like midnight till 3 in the morning. So I bought this bottle because it just felt like princess vibes, you know? It also has a little time marker situation for ADHD purposes. All right, everything in my carry-on will be placed into packing cubes. Oh yeah. So I got a set of 6 of these, but I'm gonna be honest, I lost number 6. I don't know. I'm really not sure what I did with it, to be honest. I don't know. But in here, I've already got undies and an extra bra. You don't get to see that, okay? That's inappropriate. But also, all of my darn tough socks are going inside. Okay, bye. My sleep shorts, sleep t-shirt, going in there. Now, here's the thing with packing cubes that a lot of people just don't really talk about. You want a little bit of space in there, okay? You don't want to stuff it like a Thanksgiving turkey and then try to zip the whole thing up. It's not a good idea. But see, I've got just a little bit of room at the top. You can kind of move stuff around in there. That's a good idea. And then compress it and stuff it into anywhere you want. Into this teal packing cube, I'm gonna get all of my tops, and I have 6. Let me just take you through all my outfits really quick. Number 1, I'm going as Princess Anna from Frozen. Number 2, Buzz Lightyear from Toy Story. I'm also going as a alien, the squeaky dog toy from Toy Story. My sister and I are both gonna be aliens that day. My sister is going as Kim Possible, and I will be dressed as Shego from the Disney Channel original cartoon, Kim Possible. Then my sister is going as Ariel from The Little Mermaid, and I will be Ursula. Airplane outfit, tank top, exactly the kind that I'm wearing right now, just in blue. I got this in a 3-pack, by the way, with pink, blue, and purple. A 3-pack? Are you kidding me? I love that action. And these are Lululemon leggings. They have pockets. Very important for the airport. All these tops are going into the medium-sized packing cube. Here we go. All right, all of my tank tops. Yes, they're all tank tops. I have a real problem with sleeves, okay? All the tank tops are in here, and I've got tons of room still. I've got 3 skirts and 1 pair of athletic shorts, and they're all going in. It's all in there. Are you kidding me? 5 tops, 3 tennis skirts with shorts underneath, and then a pair of athletic shorts are all in here. What? And I just want to say, I'm not a tiny person. I might be a short person, but I am not a small child, okay? I'm thick and I still got all my clothes in here. So I just want to brag about that. So I feel like a lot of times with packing cubes, when those tiny little thin girls are putting all their clothes into one cube and they're like, oh my gosh, it all fits. I'm like, yeah.
Sometimes the clothes at Gap Kids are just too flashy. So I'm forced to go to the American Girl store and order clothes for large colonial dolls.
All right, I'm gonna go ahead and compress this kid. Here we go. Ta-da! In this medium cube, I'm gonna go ahead and put 2 of my short sleeve hoodies. And the thing is, yeah, it's just 2 pieces of clothing. Do they both need to go into a cube? Not really, but I found that it helps me stay more organized. And when I start to unpack my things wherever I arrive, I don't feel like everything is just like exploded inside of my bag, if you will. Okay, this is just becoming too simple. What is going on? This guy's a laundry bag, but since none of my stuff is dirty yet, I'm gonna put my extra pair of sneakers in here. I'm gonna wear a pair of sneakers onto the plane and take one in the bag, because they say when you go to a place like Disneyland or anywhere that you're gonna be walking a lot, it's good to switch your shoes back and forth so that your feet don't rub in the same places, and hopefully you won't get a blister. I'm gonna stack my shoes inside as if they are standing on top of one another, and I'm gonna stand these up at the bottom of my carry-on as if they are standing on the floor, like the feet of the carry-on, if you will. All right, it's time to start putting stuff in the carry-on and see how we are doing. Shoes at the bottom, and medium packing cube. No, green one. Yeah, that's working. And this one, shove it right in there. Okay, this is going well. This is going well. It's okay. It's gonna be okay. Here we go. Here we go. Little guy in there. Yes, good. I've got 3 fanny packs, 2 purple ones because I bought one for my sister because we're going to be matching aliens and I wanted us to have the same one. Also, she lives in Hawaii, which means that even if Amazon sent her something, it might not get there in time. So I wanted to make sure that we had all the things that we really wanted for our cute outfits. I got this as part of a toiletry kit. It is a gallon-sized clear bag for all of your liquids. TSA approved. What? All of my liquidies fit in there. Every single time I'm like, there's no way everything's gonna go in. And then it does. It's great. All right. I'm also taking a travel pillow because I need all my things, okay? I need all my stuff, okay? Okay, I messed up. Hold on. I planned on putting my travel pillow inside of one of the medium packing cubes, so we're gonna fix that. Okay, travel pillow inside. That's the thing about packing, is it's kind of like a puzzle, you know? You just gotta see how everything's gonna come together. All right, I'm gonna try to put these 2 hoodies inside this little guy packing cube. We'll see. Yeah, that worked. Okay, now the toiletry bags went back in there. So you can see why I wanted to have a tiny baggie separate from this guy. Here's the thing. Nobody knows what bags go together. So if you have a gallon-sized bag with stuff in it, and then a cute little baggie of just like little things that you want to grab, nobody's gonna be like, oh, that's your backpack and your carry-on. Rule breaker. I mean, I feel like they're gonna do that to me, but it has not ever happened. So just FYI. Also just remembered, you need to take gum with you. You cannot buy gum on a Disney property anywhere. You could probably get it at your hotel or at a gas station or something, but on premises, no gum is ever sold at Disney properties. I'm gonna tuck this guy in here. I bought these as little bra clasp situation for Razorback bras. It's very comfortable. Been wearing it all day, and it was actually easier to put on than I thought it was going to be, and I'm very impressed. So I'm gonna take these. I'm just gonna go ahead and take the whole pack. We have room for my polar bear, thank God. She's going. Oh no, I forgot about the fanny packs. Okay, it's okay. It's okay. Squish them in here. I almost forgot the fan. Hold on. Polar bear's going in the backpack. That really all fit in there. Can I just honestly say I didn't think that was gonna happen? Especially near the end there, it was getting a little hairy. I have everything I need? What? Like, that can't be a real thing, but I think it is. Okay, we're good to go. All right, highly recommend the company Tripped. That's where I got the packing cubes, the backpack, and the toiletry kit. It's a couple that travels around the world, and they wanted to make their own stuff because they realized that everything they were using, they just didn't love. Catch you on the flippity flip.